अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series.
Question number 17. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is a green is 2/3. Then find the number of blue marbles in the jar. Good question. Let's start. So total number of marbles are given to us 24. We will assume that the number of green marbles are x. So the number of blue marbles will be 24 minus x, because green plus blue is 24. So out of 24, if x are green, then the remaining are blue. So that will be 24 minus x. What probability is given to you? Green probability is given to you. Probability of an event is favorable outcome upon total possible outcome. So probability is 2/3. So 2/3 is equal to favorable outcome. Green marbles are x, total marbles are 24. So x is equal to 2 into 24 upon 3, that will give you 16. Okay, so green marbles are 16. Now you can easily calculate blue marbles. Blue marbles will be total marbles minus green marbles, right? So blue marbles are equal to 24 minus 16, and that will give you 8. So there are 8 blue marbles.